and then check whether you have an update or not on TikTok. If you have an update on TikTok, then just update it, and after updating, check whether you are able to follow someone or not. If you are able to follow someone, that's great, your problem is fixed. But guys, if you are still facing the problem, then the third step to follow is open your TikTok app and then visit your profile and then click on the top right corner on three dot, and then from here you just have to scroll down and then you will get an option here, clear cache. Clear the cache, and then after clearing the cache, you restart your app again and then check whether you are able to follow someone or not. If you are able to follow, that's great. But guys, if you are still facing the problem, then I suggest you to come here again and then go to report a problem. And after visiting the report a problem, here you have to do certain things which I will show you. Just stay tuned till the end. So now we have here frequently asked a question. So we have to select according to our problem. So guys, here as you can see, my number has used, my draft are deleted, I want to grow, suggestion, account, follow. So just click on the account and profile. Okay, account and profile, and then click on the account management. Okay, account management is not what we are looking for. Let's go back. And then let's go to a video and a sound. That's better. And go to other, and then go to other, and then click on this still have a problem, and then describe your problem here. Whatever the problem you are facing, just tell them that, hi team, I am unable to follow anyone in TikTok, and your on the below just write up regards and then your name, and then if you have any kind of a screenshot, then just upload it here and then enter your email ID and then click on the top right corner on send button, and then the TikTok team will receive your message and then they will get back to you within 24 hours with the solution. Okay, they will fix your problem within 24 hours. So